Hello Its YEY, Reebok Nano 13 Adventure Winter. This shoe was reviewed and described as a fitness shoe that appeals to a very niche area, but I think it's nothing but a must-have one. Think of a winter outdoor shoe as somewhere in the middle between the comfort of your running shoe and the performance of your fitness shoe. Maybe you want to replace that tree with an all-in-one, and this shoe is that. For that reason, I think all Nano Adventure Winter line and other like that kind of stuff are underrated. Its appearance is different and cool. As for its features, I don't know if it works as well as a Gore-Tex one, but it is water and snow proof. A shoe that is both warm and breathable, soft and comfortable fleece inside. When it comes to Vibram bottom, it is sturdy, non-slip, suitable for outdoor use and also manageable in the city. The shoe itself is also very sturdy and flexible as well. From my perspective, there is no shortage of other features either. As for performance, when you need a shoe for the overall fitness and sports, I think the Nano series is the best in every way, and the situation is no different for this shoe. It allows you to use your nanos at outdoors, cold and wet weather. It is suitable for fitness and running at the outdoor with winter conditions. It is suitable for other kinds of winter outdoor and sports activities, and I found it suitable for daily use too. I recommend this shoe as strongly as if I were recommending a classic one. I hope Reebok will continue their adventure and adventure winter line with nanos, and I hope they will attract more attention. When it comes to prices was same as Nano 13s, and I think the main fitness shoes of sports brands prices goes up very fast last years, and they should be priced less. Less prices will help brands to make their fitness shoe lines are classics and also weird in daily life like basketball shoes. I don't know if these shoes are still on sale, but I say that kind of shoe is a must-have one, and I reviewed this specific one because this is the best I have used so far in this category. My foot size is Euro 43.5, and I choose 43 for this one, and maybe it's a little bit big, but it's okay. I wish brands produce Euro 43.5 shoes, by the way, because I'm between sizes and lots of shoes. It's good for wide feet and it's got a little bit of support too. I say you need a winter outdoor fitness type shoe as a must-have one, and I reviewed my favorite one of that type shoe to give you an idea on that. Let's go and see you later.